Hey, what's up folks? This is Eli here with Galpha. Today we're showcasing one of our 4 projects we have lined up here. As you can tell, I'm just playing, guys. Let's show you the real deal. Hey fellas, like I explained, we're coming out to do the inspection. These are main things we're looking forward to. Any wind damage, this can be a great sign for wind damage. If you see any of these signs, just shoot us a call. We'll be glad to go out there, folks. This is also a sign you can notice right away. If you find any shingles laying on your front yard or backyard, shoot us a call right away. We'll go out there and inspect your roof, okay?